welcome back to our cooking channel. So today we are cooking Fisherman soup. And while I'm making the soup, Nina is pounding the yam. We have now put our catfish. Now we are gonna put the leaves, and they are called uziza leaves. Yeah, Nina, can you please put them in? Thank you. Now yes. Oh yeah, and the fish that we put is catfish. It's smelling good right now. Really good. Put a little bit more effort into that, Nina. My hands are getting dirty. Oh. Guys, we're gonna put the cocoyam into the soup pot so it can be a little bit smooth. And thicker. Yes. And guys, you have to lower the heat. Yeah. Okay. You'll get a little bit more thicker. Yeah. It's really sticky. This is our yam. I want to make the pando yam with the fisherman soup. Fisherman soup, and here's the pounded yam. Join us while we eat the shrimp. Thank you for watching. Bye.